welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Haitian Chocolate Beauty and welcome to this video. As you can see by the title, you already know what kind of look I'm doing, but you don't know how I'm gonna get it there. So if you're ready to see the amazing things that I'm about to do, stay tuned. Alright guys, I am done. This is the Porsche look. What do you think? The makeup eye look, I wanted to kind of look similar to this side. And then I added just all the 3 colors on my lips except for the black, because I'm not gonna do that. Let me know what you guys think. I can't believe I did this. Of course, the horse I feel like doesn't look that well, but over time. But let me know what you guys think. I really like this. This is a new series that I'm starting on my channel, and I guess we'll see what we're gonna do next. Maybe Lamborghini, or maybe McLaren, I don't know. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, you're loved, you're appreciated, and you're beautiful. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.